Hey folks, hey everyone, welcome back to channel where we cut through the crypto noise with easy down. You can actually use, and I'm in today's video. We're gonna deep dive into SRP price prediction 2026, and I think it's gonna be a less than 10 minute video straight. But SRP right now is chilling at around $2.06 right now. After that XRPL upgrade and funding rate explosion we talked about in the previous video. If you're holding on or thinking of jumping in, my advice is simple. Position smart now for what's coming. And let's break it down step by step so you can make a moves like a pro. So, before we predict 2026, let's ground ourselves. SRP just got a massive XRPL upgrade from Ripple, making it faster for real-world payments ahead of FOMC decision. Funding rate spiked 360% in 24 hours. Future open interest hit $3.76 and exchange balance dropped 18.8%. Whales are holding, not selling. The price is up by 0.36% today as today's date December 10, around $2.06 to $2.07, but down 5% weekly with RSI at 45 neutral and not bearish, and support at $2 to $2.20 hold strong. That's a symmetrical triangle eye on $2.10 breakout for 16% upside to $2.60. So my tip, if it breaks $2.10, buy the dip and pull back and don't chase. All right, the big one, the 2026 prediction. So now I've seen the AI models like ChatGPT and every guys, they everyone is focusing on like all the GTP, the AI thing. They made some research on that. They're targeting at the $4.40 average, but analytics like a Boulder at $5 to $6 if micro align. Here's why I'm advising you to stack a post Bitcoin halving cycle around pump altcoin like SRP with a fat rate cuts like liquidity floods in. And Changely and Trading Beast average they estimated on $2.10 to $2.31 yearly, but high could smash $4 on adoption. So RL USD stable launch, a game changer for cross-border flows. ETF volumes from Bitwise Grayscale already at 85 million, scale that to billion and boom. First of all, adoption surge, I will say. Bank love SRPL, speed push up with things like a remittance exploding. Then a cycle timing, that means 2026 mid-year, perfect for early season for BTC peak. Then a whale signal, open interest up 4% and balance of exchange, smart money bets big. So my pro advice will be dollar cost averaging $50 $50 to 100 weekly below to $2.20. Target 2 to 30% portfolio allocation if you are bullish in long term. So what could go wrong and how to protect that? No sugarcoating, my friend. Risk is exist. If global recession hits or SEC drama, comes back and SRP could test $2.02 lows or even a $1.95. Bear models from CoinCodex warn for neutral to bearish if RSI drop below 40 liquidation and recently pushed it to $2.08. So volatility is real, my friends. My rule, never go all in. Set a stop loss at $1.95, take profit at $2.60, 50%, that will be a $3.50 is 30%, hold 20% for moonshot. So micro risk is delay rate cuts of BTC dump drag altcoins. So, and regulatory noise, I will say Ripple win help, but watch Trump or admin policy, I will say. So, competition, I think that will be from Solana Sue, which can steal a speed thunder if XRPL lags. Smart play, I will say diversify 60% of BTC, ETC, Ethereum, 40% in XRP, and track funding rate daily spikes above 0.01 scream buy. So let's geek out the chart. SRP is a multi-year ascending channel. 2026 targets $3.50 to $5 if it holds at $1.80 base. And symmetrical triangle breakout. The 16% to $2.40 is a short term, I will say. Then there are few prediction, $4.80 by quarter to 2026, and RSI neutral at 45 means room to run without the hit. Means MACD crossing incoming with volume spike. So let's talk about level thing, and please make a note, guys. It will be very good. So $2.10 is the key. My prediction is the key resistance level. Means my advice to buy breakout and stop at $1.95. Then if level touch to $2.60, that will be my first target. Take your 30% profit on that. Then after it reach $4 mid 2026 average, hold core position in a $5 plus, that means it's going to be bull high. Scale out 50%. And $1.95 if the SA price touch, that means it's going to be bear stop. Cut the losses fact. So zoom out, that will be like a SRP 10x potential from here. The history rhymes with the 2017 2021. So action plan, snack line pro like a 206. That means like, yeah, okay. Let me give you a step by step playbook and follow this, and you'll be at you're set, guys. Like, first, buy a tip under $2.10 and weekly DC. Use Binance or Coinbase at lower fees. Monitor metrics means like a funding rate like 0.01% or like 4 billion. It's a green light. Then a profit tire, that means a seller trader at $2.60 or $3.50 and $5 reinvest in BTC. Fourth step, I will say stay informed. Subscribe here for daily update and set a trading view charts alert. Fifth is a risk point, zero point 0.2 per trade. People trading first is for new people. By the end of the 2006, $4 to $5 feel very conservative with ETF inflow and adoption. My advice is convincing buy now, and SRP is not a gamble, it's utility. So what's your 2026 SRP call? 5 or 10? Comment below and like if this plane fired you up, and share with your friend, and hit that subscribe bell more, and check out in the description something for you guys.